Zelle, friend-to-friend payments, but do you need a bank account? Ever been out with friends and realized you forgot your wallet? Maybe you need to split rent with a roommate who's perpetually cash only. In today's digital age, there are thankfully plenty of options to send and receive money electronically. One popular choice is Zelle. But before you jump on the Zelle train, there's a crucial question. Can you use Zelle without a bank account? Let's face it, traditional banks aren't exactly known for being accessible to everyone. Fees, minimum balances, and complex applications can make opening a bank account a real hassle. So, it's natural to wonder if there's a workaround for using Zelle. Well, buckle up, because the answer is a bit of a maybe. Here's the deal. Technically Zelle-ish, the prepaid card loophole. Zelle itself operates through partnered banks and credit unions. This means, in the strictest sense, you do need a bank account to use it directly. However, there's a potential loophole for those with certain prepaid cards. Some prepaid cards, particularly those with features like phone number verification and a registered address, might be compatible with Zelle. These cards function similarly to debit cards, allowing you to load funds and make purchases. The key is finding a provider that allows Zelle integration. Be warned, though, this option isn't foolproof. Not all prepaid cards work with Zelle, and finding compatible ones can be a challenge. Researching your specific card provider is essential before getting your hopes up. The friend factor, enlisting bank buddies. Here's another option, but it relies on a trusted friend or family member who already uses Zelle through their bank account. If you're comfortable with this approach, you could ask them to receive the money on your behalf. They could then transfer the funds to you however you both agree on, like cash or another money transfer service. Obviously, this method requires a significant level of trust, so make sure you're comfortable with the person handling your money. The bottom line, bank account likely needed. While there are some potential workarounds, it's important to be realistic. In most cases, using Zelle will require a bank account. While the prepaid card option might work for some, it's not guaranteed, and relying on friends or family isn't always ideal. Alternatives to consider. If Zelle isn't the right fit, don't worry. There are other options for sending and receiving money electronically. Here are a few to consider. Cash App and Venmo. These peer-to-peer payment services allow you to link a debit card or bank account for easy transfers. They often have social media integration and other features that can be appealing, though fees can apply depending on the transaction type. Apple Pay and Google Pay. If you have a smartphone with these features, you can send and receive money with compatible devices through contactless payment methods. Keep in mind, these options typically require the recipient to have a similar smartphone and enabled mobile wallet. Do your research, choose wisely. No matter which service you choose, it's important to do your research and understand the fees and limitations involved. Always be cautious when sharing your financial information online, and only use trusted platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.